Hello, everybody. Andrea Majewski here with EPICURE. I'm actually feeling a little bit under the weather, so I wanted to do the videos first thing in the morning before it gets worse. I hope I'm not getting sick, or I just hope it's like a 24-hour day thing, because I really would like to talk about cooking classes. So it doesn't matter how long you have been with EPICURE, if it's been like 2 minutes or if it's been 2 years. At some point, you always want to know, well, what is every other consultant doing to get cooking classes? Because that's how you make commission, is by booking cooking classes. So I'm going to be talking about cooking classes in person and online. I do all of my cooking classes online simply because I just don't seem to have the time to invite people over, do a cooking class at my house, at somebody else's house. I just simply don't have time. I am a dental hygienist who cleans people's teeth in their own homes, plus in my own home office. So I am busy, which is awesome. So, but this is perfect if you're looking to either build your cooking class base in person or online, because I'll be talking about a little bit of both. Having that said though, if you can go to somebody's house to do an actual cooking class or bring people over to your house, you will have more sales 110%, because people can actually see what you're talking about, what you're actually selling. People can taste it. And best of all, they can actually be able to smell all of the amazing smells that come with it. That won me over when I first started with EPICURE. When I was just a customer who went to a cooking class at a neighbor's house. I was amazed, how quickly the steamers worked. She made a whole chicken in about 12 minutes. She made chicken fajitas. 12 minutes, the chicken was cooked. I was amazed. I wanted a steamer right away. She made 3 different dips, I believe it was. There was a fruit dip, and there were 2 dips that she had like cucumbers with, but then chips also. I don't remember which dips they were, but same thing. I was amazed how quickly and how easy she made them. You know, I was always that person where I would go to a potluck or something, and the dips would be what I would go to first. And I would go, wow, how did you make these? They would list off like 20 different ingredients, and I'd be like, okay, there's no way I'm going to be able to make that. I'm not very creative. I'm not a chef. I just don't feel like I could just kind of mix up 20 ingredients and make it taste good. With EPICURE, it's usually like 2 or 3 things, add in the dip mix, done, tastes amazing. She also made the chocolate pudding at that cooking class, again, amazing. So easy to make, but all in all, everything is so much healthier for you. So the question is that you are all wondering is how, sorry guys, my nose is running and I don't have a Kleenex, is how do you book those cooking classes without sounding annoying? We all know those people who send random messages to everybody on their Facebook list to sell things, to sell this. Have you tried this? Hi, it's so nice to hear from you. Meanwhile, you haven't heard from them in like 20 years. Don't be that person. The best way to book those cooking classes are through people you know. Talk to your sister, talk to those people who you talk to all the time and say, hey, I have just started this amazing business with EPICURE, and I am looking for people that I can literally come over and cook for you. I do all the work and no purchase necessary, but if people want to buy EPICURE, awesome. Can I come over to your house? Anything that I sell at your cooking class, you will get free product. So, and who doesn't want free product, right? That's all you have to do, you guys. Another way to do it is to just post on your main page. Post on your main like Instagram, Facebook, wherever, and just simply post your EPICURE creations. If you made lunch, dinner, if you're making a dip, a pudding, anything, just post that. You don't have to post and say, hey, who wants to buy EPICURE? Here is my link, shop here. You don't even have to do that. You don't even have to sell anything. But by simply posting things that you make, people pay attention. And then eventually they will say, oh, wow, that pudding that she made like a week ago, I just made a pudding the other day and tasted horrible. So I wonder what pudding she's making. Or you might be posting something saying, hey, I love this steamer where I made a whole chicken in 14 minutes. This is amazing. Where has this been all my life? They might not know yet that you sell Epicure, but they're seeing you post about your new amazing cookware products. Everybody wants easy cooking. That's the thing, even if they don't realize it. Moms, dads, college kids, teenagers who need to heat up something quick, young adults, anybody wants easy cooking. I would have loved to have our steamers in college. You know, you come home after a long day of class, you probably have to work that night. You want to try to eat healthier, but you're kind of like, I don't know how to make anything that tastes good, so toast it is. You know, mac and cheese it is. Well, guess what? Epicure has a healthier mac and cheese. So why not have them try that? They will love it. They know they're eating healthier. On top of that, send them Epicure recipes on mac and cheese, all on the website. So that all ties into booking your cooking classes. Another thing to do, give Epicure as a gift, and then even print out your own gift certificate saying you have earned a free cooking class. You know, yes, cooking classes are free anyway. Yes, but you can say, I will come over and teach your roommates how to cook everything under 20 minutes. Or, you know, think of something. I will come over and teach your mom friends how to make lunches for their kids in under 20 minutes, you know, how to prep lunches, you know, things like that. Think outside the box. Cooking classes, you guys, are huge. Think about Loblaws, Zayres, anywhere. They have cooking classes on making the perfect pasta, making the perfect chip dip, making or prepping your children's lunchbox. Why not have your own cooking classes, but make it Epicure? You don't even have to say your Epicure cooking class. Say, I do cooking classes where I come to your house and teach you guys anything you want to know. This is what I do for work. This is my job. You don't have to pay for it. I just come over and have fun. If you want to make it sound like a true cooking class where you do pay for it, because that's what Loblaws does, Zayres does, Superstore, have them buy a meal kit. Okay, actually, I'm going to show you guys. So one moment, let me just pause this so that I can share my screen. So hold that thought. Okay. Hi guys, okay, sorry to keep you guys waiting. So I have tuned in to the Epicure website. All you have to do is go up to shop and go into, I believe it's Good Food, Real Results. I'm actually forgetting. Yes, it is. So if you want people to actually pay for their cooking class, but they will get free product with it. Here is an amazing idea that I actually learned from another consultant. So everybody loves, let's say, Mexican food, okay? So let's just click on full details. Have them attend your Mexican cooking class, but give them ideas of things that you will teach them to make. Say, I will teach you guys how to make a guacamole. I will also teach you how to make a nacho cheese dip. Plus, I will be making fajitas, you know, like just come up with other things that is inside your meal box. So they actually purchase this. So have them pay $34.50, or if you're in the US, it's obviously different, plus tax, plus maybe even a little bit of the shipping, because you have to have them obviously shipped to you. Have them order it at least 3 weeks in advance so you have time to have it all to your house. So I suggest actually ordering them. Have them come to you so that you can bring them to the cooking class. Have people prepay for your cooking class so they don't say, oh shoot, you know, like the day before, oh, I can't make it, you know, and then you have all of these meal boxes that you have nothing to do with now, right? So that's another idea to book those cooking. Sorry guys, I'm trying to close all of these notifications. I don't know why they keep popping up, so I have to kind of somehow shut those down. Okay, so they finally stopped, but I bet more will be coming. Anyway, so isn't this a great idea? You can tell them that you are doing a Mexican cooking class and all of the products are included for them to take home. Tell them to bring, let's say, 3 different Tupperware containers, or even if you want to supply your own Tupperware. Costco has cheap Tupperware. It is amazing. So totally up to you. And they have things to take home. Let them know what they will be taking home. Let them know what they can make. And it's all in here. All of these meal boxes will pay for that cooking class. And you can say one lucky person will be getting $25 or however many boxes you sell of free product also. So that's their kind of extra incentive to attend the cooking class. Awesome, right? So I've kind of given you guys different ideas here. I'm just going to stop sharing my screen here. So different ideas. Another idea entirely is just simply telling people, hey, if you want free stuff, all you have to do is post your own link that I will make for you on your page, on your like Instagram, Facebook, bring a catalog to your work, mom's house, whatever. Any orders from that link will be part of your event. You will get all of the free stuff. Who wants to do that? You don't even have to host a cooking class. So see, different ideas. Try them, you guys. It works. Okay, try them. If you're that person saying, well, I'm not selling enough. Why is she selling so much, but I'm not? Why do I not know what I'm doing? It's probably because you have not tried all of those options. After you have tried all of them and you're still not selling anything, let me know and I can help you, okay? But you will probably sell a lot with those. I don't know anybody who has tried those options and nothing has worked for them, because different things will work for different people, okay? Personally, what works for me is I have a pantry club where everybody there, they have to commit to spending $30 every other month, not every month, but every other month. And they get a chance to get free EPICURE product every other month. So every other month there is a new host. They get free stuff and they don't have to do anything. And they get to try EPICURE. In the pantry club, we share like meal ideas. They get a new catalog as soon as it comes out. It's just sort of a nice like networking of, you know, people who like to cook, get free stuff, and have new cooking ideas. So that's what works for me. I do cooking classes online, so not in person, but that's what works for me. So find out what works for you. Comment below if you need help, because I am here to help. Also, if you are thinking, oh wow, well this sounds awesome, I would actually like to join EPICURE to give cooking classes, to make some extra money and just be able to get out of the house, do something different, and I know that I can make a commission doing that, because that sounds amazing. Let me know, because I teach anybody online, in person, doesn't matter. Most of my EPICURE teammates actually live out of town anyway, so we do everything online. Let me know if that is something you are interested in. I will leave the links for you guys on the bottom, and my email should be there too on the website, so feel free to ask any questions. Thank you guys so much for listening and watching, and I'll see you in the next one.